Hello students. So this is a question from NEET Physics Phase 1 book, Unit 1, and the question number is 10. So here is a very interesting question. A bird fly with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. So let's take, here is our bird. So let's say here is our bird and the bird is moving with speed of 10 kilometer per with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. And simultaneously a car also moves with 8 kilometer per hour. So let's take this point is B point and they both are tends to reach at a point A and the distance between the point is 40 kilometer. Fine. So both start from the B point towards the A point. BA is 40 kilometer. As at the same time, the bird having reaches A because it has more velocity, more speed, so it will go first here. So when the bird will go there, again it will reach it to the car, and then again it will go there, and again like this. So like this, the bird is going on. So the bird flies immediately to meet the approaching car. As soon as it reaches the car, it flies back to A. The bird repeat this till both the cars and the bird reaches A simultaneously. So the total distance flown by the bird. If you see that, don't see the bird, just see the car. So car has a velocity of 8 kilometer per hour and the distance between the car and the point A is 40 kilometers. So we will take that. What is the time taken for car to reach at that point? That is velocity distance by time is equal to distance by velocity. And the time is, how much is the distance? That is 40. And time is, velocity is 8 kilometers. So it is 8 kilometers. So the time, what we get, it is 5 hour. So till 5 hour, the bird is continuously moving because it has a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. So distance, how much the distance of the bird? That is velocity of the bird into time. That is 5 hour. So velocity of bird is 10 into 5. That is 50 kilometer. So our answer is third. Thank you.